Welcome to the Python GUI and Games with Tkinter course, where you will learn creating GUI games with Tkinter and Python. My name is Rohit, I'm a software developer and I'll be your instructor for this course. I have designed this course for everyone seeking to make GUI applications or games in Python. By the end of this course, you'll be able to make GUI applications and games using Tkinter. First, let's understand why to learn making GUI with Tkinter. So if you can see this graph, Python is one of the most popular programming language in the world. It is being used for mostly all sort of stuff, and making GUI with Tkinter is super easy. I'll start by showing you how to use Tkinter widgets. We're going to learn all the Tkinter widgets that Tkinter offers us. Not only that, but you will also learn about handling keyboard and mouse event in your Tkinter application. Additionally, you will also learn how to make a simple 2D animation using Tkinter's canvas widget. Then we'll jump to making the games, that is what this course is for. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you don't need to worry. Here are some of the Python games that I will be showing you how to make in this particular course. If you can see, there are total 5 games. I'll keep on adding the new as the course progresses. This course is more suitable for a Python GUI developer or anyone who just want to learn making GUI projects. Feel free to check out the course curriculum and the other preview videos. Learn making GUI with Tkinter and take your Python skills to the next level. Enroll now and I'll see you inside the course.